Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are doing well in your life. Welcome to channel your favorite SBGK and IQ Corner. At the end of the October, I am back with the important day and date series for October month also. Once I would request to all of you that please see previous month important day and date series. I believe it will be great benefit for you. Before the start of video, I will again appeal to you: stay healthy, stay safe. Okay, let's start the October series, important day and date series. On 1st October, International Day of Older Persons. In 2020, the theme is pandemics. Do they change how we address age and aging? On 2nd October, International Day of Non-Violence. The International Day of Non-Violence is observed on 2nd October, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. It is observed. Also, we have celebrate Wildlife Week, 2nd to 8 October. This year theme is Roar, exploring human and animal relationship. The Wildlife Week is celebrated with aim of protect, preserve the flora and fauna of India. It is occurred 2nd to 8 October. 4th to 10th October, we have celebrated World Space Week. This year theme is Satellite Improves Life. The World Space Week was declared by the United Nations General Assembly on the year of 1999. On 4th October, we have celebrated World Animal Welfare Day. The World Animal Welfare Day is celebrated to create awareness about the importance of improving the welfare standard of animals in worldwide. On 5th October, we have celebrated World Teachers Day. This year theme is Teachers Leading in Crisis, Reimagining in the Future. On 5th October, we have also celebrated World Habitat Day. Theme for World Habitat Day in 2020: Housing for All, a Better Urban Future. The day was celebrated on the first Monday of October, but in this year 2020, the day is being observed on 5th October. On 7th October, we have celebrated World Cotton Day. The day was inaugurated by World Trade Organization in Geneva on 7th of October 2019. The day was initiated by the group of cotton, 4 countries. What is the country? Benin, Burkina, and Chad and Mali. On 8th October, we have celebrated Indian Air Force Day. This year, Indian Air Force celebrated its 88th anniversary. Indian Air Force was established on 8 October 1932 by the British Empire. The name was changed to British Empire to Indian Air Force in 1950. On 9th October, we have celebrated World Post Day. In 1969, the UPA Congress held in Tokyo declared the day of World Post Day. On 10th October, World Mental Health Day, we have celebrated. Theme for World Mental Health Day celebrated in 2020 is Mental Health for All. 10th October, we have celebrated National Postal Day. The day aims to commemorate the role played by the Indian Postal Department for the past 150 years, which founded by 1854 by Lord Dalhousie. 10th October, we have celebrated World Migratory Birds Day. This year theme is Birds Connect Our World. 11th October, International Day of Girl Child. This year theme is My Voice, Our Equal Future. The day was observed globally on 11th October since 2012. 12th October, we have celebrated World Arthritis Day. The day was started by arthritis and rheumatoid International ARI in 1996 order to raise awareness about arthritis and inflammatory condition which causes pain and stiffness in joints. 13th October we have celebrated International Day of Disaster Risk Reduction and World Calamity Control Day. 14th October we have celebrated World Standards Day. This year theme is protecting the planet with standards. 15th October we have celebrated World Students Day. The World Students Day is celebrated to mark birth anniversary of former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This year 89th birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. On 15th October International Day of Rural Women. This year theme is building rural women resilience in the wake of COVID-19. World Food Day we have celebrated 16th October. Theme is grow, nourish and sustain together. 17th October we have celebrated International Day for Eradication of Poverty. Themes acting together to achieve social and environmental justice for all. On 20th October we have celebrated World Statistic Day. This year theme is connecting the world with data we can trust. We also celebrated World Osteoporosis Day. Theme is that's osteoporosis. On 20th October we have celebrated International Chef Day. Theme is healthy food for the future. 21st October we have celebrated National Police Commemoration Day. 22nd October we have celebrated International Stuttering Awareness Day. This year theme is Journey of Words, Resilience and Bouncing Back. The day is celebrated to raise awareness of the millions of people who have speech disorder of stuttering. 23rd October we have celebrated World Snow Leopard Day. This day is celebrated to show importance of snow leopard conservation and raise awareness about these incredible animals. The day was first celebrated in 2014. 24th October we have celebrated United Nations Day. On 24th October 1945, 51 countries came together to create United Nations or the UN. Its purpose was to promote peace and cooperation around the world. The UN declared October 24 as a United Nations Day in 1947. 24th October we have also celebrated World Development Information Day. The day is celebrated to draw attention of world public opinion to development problems, the needs of strengthen international cooperation to solve for overall growth and development. On 24th October we have also celebrated World Polio Day. This year theme is a win against polio is a win for a global whole. 27th October we have celebrated World Day of Audio Visual Heritage. This year theme is your window to the world. On 27th October we have celebrated Infantry Day. The day is celebrated every year on October 27th to commemorate the landing of the first infantry battalion of Indian Army in Srinagar, and therefore the role of Indian Army infantry in preventing the Pakistani raider from capturing Jammu and Kashmir. 27th October to 2nd November Vigilance Awareness Week is celebrated. This year theme is Vigilant India, Prosperous India, Satark Bharat, Samridh Bharat. 28th October International Animation Day. 29th October International Internet Day. In this day, the first electronic message which was conveyed from one computer to another computer in the year of 1969. Charles Clinney discovered the transmission of first ever electronic message on 29th October of 1969. Secondly, we have celebrated World Psoriasis Day. The day is celebrated to create awareness and promoting environment, taking actions regarding improvement the quality of life for citizens with psoriasis. This year theme is Inform. On 31st October, we have celebrated National Unit Day, Rashtriya Ekta Divas. The day is observed every year, 31st October, to commemorate the birth anniversary of Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This year marks 145th anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Secondly, we have celebrated World Cities Day. This year theme is valuing our communities and cities. Thank you. This is all for October series. I will be again come with November series. Comment if anything, any suggestions there. It will be great help to us improve our channel. Thanks for continuous support. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.